Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to let customers enter their name, select a color, or upload a file before buying a product on your Shopify store? That's where custom fields come in, and you don't even need to touch a single line of code. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add custom fields on Shopify products. Step by step, using a free or low-cost apps, custom fields help personalize your products and give customers more control. Think monogrammed t-shirts, gift note messages, custom image uploads, selectable energizing options. Without these fields, customers can't tell you what they want. To add custom fields, the easy way, we will use an app called Product Options and Customizer, or how Product Options. Both are beginner friendly and available in Shopify App Store. I will use Hulk Product Options for this demo. It's free for basic use and works great. Go to your Shopify dashboard, then click Add Apps. Scroll down and select Shopify App Store. Then in the search box, search for Hulk Product Options. Like this. Then click on Install. Then again install. Once installed, follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your store. Now let's create a custom fields. Open the app and go to Option Sets. Click Create New. Give it a name like Custom T-shirt Options. Add your fields, text fields for a name or message. Drop down for color size or file upload if the customer needs to send a photo. You can make each field required or optional and even add extra charges. Now apply this custom field to your products you want. Just search and click and check the box. Once saved, go to your store and check the product page. Boom, your custom fields are now live. Customers can enter their name, upload files, or choose from dropdowns right on the product page before they hit add to cart. Here are a few quick tips. Keep your instructions clear in field labels. Use required fields to avoid incomplete orders. Add pricing add-ons if custom option cost more. Test your checkout flow to ensure everything works smoothly. Custom fields are perfect for personalization and boosting conversions. And that's how you add custom fields to Shopify products without any coding. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials, and comment below if you want a guide on how to create Conditional logic in product options or how to charge extra for customizations. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.